Hello everyone, welcome back to Daehan Hanbok YouTube channel. This is Chan from Daehan Hanbok. Today I have prepared a topic that might be fun and helpful for your hanbok experience, and I hope you guys will like it. 7 things not to do when wearing a hanbok. Okay, now then we are gonna dive into all those topics and let's be the hanbok professional. Number 1, do not skip tying the ribbon on the 저고리 hanbok jacket. This ribbon on the jacket is called goreum. Now we have the green color. It's a traditional style hanbok. Of course, you come to Daehan Hanbok, we dress you, but then when you walk around, you play while wearing a backpack in hanbok, while wearing a jacket. Sometimes I notice people outside, they have the goreum part open. And it doesn't look so good, everyone. So everyone, please always check your ribbons tied well, because this goreum is gonna give your hanbok the elegant look. This one, without tying. And now I'm gonna tie the ribbon, just like this. And just like that. Now the hanbok looks much more cleaner and more pretty, more elegant. Okay, number 2, not to do wearing hanbok. Do not wear patterns, colorful, like busy, messy socks or etiquette socks, for example. Please do not wear your Pikachu socks no more, your Minions socks no more, and most importantly, no Doraemon socks, everyone. I highly recommend wearing a white, simple socks. You can wear the long one. Colorful pattern character socks do not look good with the traditional, elegant, beautiful, simple hanbok outfit. And number 3, a lot of people feel uncomfortable when wearing a hanbok, especially when they walk or run. And some people try to overstride when they're walking. But everyone, when you guys are wearing a hanbok, try to feel the royalty. One day you're wearing a hanbok, please watch K-drama and study how they walk. They try to straighten your upper body. Elegance. Having an elegance is the most important thing for the royal family. Relax your shoulders and then slowly and short steps will be very helpful when you're taking a photos or when you're taking a videos. And even for the other people to look at you, if you overstride with the hanbok, it doesn't look so good. So please, slow, short steps. Okay, everyone, the next topic is do not forget for your hairstyling to everyone. When you come to Daehan Hanbok, we also provide not only hanbok rental, but hairstyling service too. So after you dress up, you're gonna be asked if you would like to do the hairstyling as well. And I highly recommend having a Korean traditional hairstyling. You can do the, how do I say it, like a bun hair with the accessories, or we can do the simple braids. And having a hairstyling on for your hanbok experience can really make your experience double better, and it looks super pretty. And since we also have the beautiful accessories that goes well with the colors and the designs of your hanbok, so you can try. If you want to try hanbok, do perfect. And the next topic is please do not wear colorful patterned sleeve, everyone. I will explain why. Since when you're wearing a hanbok, Korean hanbok jacket, it's a big V shape. So if you're afraid of being cold, everyone, then you can wear the white underneath heat tag or long sleeve, preferably with the V shape. so it will still look good. When I see you wearing a hanbok with a V-shaped white sleeve, then no problem at all. So everyone, please do not wear the colored or patterned on the t-shirts. And everyone, please do not pair hanbok with the sky-high heels. Hanbok is designed to be worn with the flat shoes and not so high, but a little bit of heels is okay because it's gonna make you look like long legs. Some people come to hanbok rental shop with like sky-high heels like this. They're gonna look like really tall. Wobbling in hanbok is not so fun and not so pretty, so you can stick to the flat shoes or a little bit of heels is okay too. And the next topic is, please everyone, do not keep your watch on your wrist, the wristwatch in hanbok, when you're wearing a hanbok. So I have seen many people, photoshoot clients especially, for example, they look so perfect. Okay, you guys are ready, let's go to the palace to do the photo shoot. And then when we're trying to take a photos, some people still keep the watch. We see them and we tell them to take out when we are taking photo, so that is okay. But I'm pretty sure a lot of people go to the palace with hanbok, still wearing a modernized bling watch, and they are wearing a traditional outfits. It doesn't look so good, everyone. So you can simply put it aside and then just enjoy your hanbok experience fully. And also when you come to Daehan hanbok, we provide the lockers for free, and we also give the little handbag for free. So even at least when you're taking photo in hanbok, you can put a watch in the handbag, and then you are gonna have a nice, beautiful photos for hanbok. Right, everyone, these are the tips that I wanted to give you guys so that your hanbok experience will be more better and different than other people. I hope you guys really liked it, and everyone, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't, please subscribe to our channel. I will keep posting the new videos in the future, hopefully. Everyone, I will see you guys in the next video. I hope you have a good day. Thank you.